Hi, this is Lee Clocky with another Lee's Thoughts. So I was sent another product from a vendor, LAMU, and it's a fridge organizer. And this is a paid review. They sent me a free product and they're paying me for this review. Let's get on with it. Let's see what we can find out about this. I know it's a fridge organizer and it's a brand new product for them. So let's see what's going on inside this box. All right, first thing I got is the much needed instructions. And again, I always stipulate this. This is very important. It's not always in every product that comes from China. So I really appreciate it when I see a good set of instructions. So then we open it up here and it just seems to be a turntable, kind of a lazy Susan of sorts. Okay, all right. That's exactly what it is. It's what we would call a lazy Susan. So what I got here is it's got suction cups on the bottom, which would suction it to the refrigerator door, shelf. And then I believe, very cool. And then this would just turn around so that you can get anything off of that shelf. Well, let's go see how it works in my fridge, shall we? Okay, so now we're at my refrigerator. And I've cleaned off a spot right in the dead middle of my refrigerator center. So what it tells me is you'll see there's a heart shape there. And it tells me to put this heart shape towards the rear. And there's suction cups right here and right here. And that goes towards the front. So we're gonna, I always like it to, anything with a suction cup, I like to always just wet those suction cups a little bit. So I'm going to put this right in here. So next thing I want to get to that yogurt. And there we go, yogurt. So I can get the pico de gallo. I can see where this could come in very, very handy. I love it. What do you guys think?